So now we're going to actually demonstrate mixing a 1 gallon kit of our CIM products. So you'll notice I have the 3-inch spiral mixer added to the drill, and I've got my activator right here. So I've already taken the lid off of my Premix pail, and I'm taking my activator and opening up my activator. It's important to know is once you open these activators, you have to use them. You don't want to open them and close them. All of these bottles are nitrogen blanketed so that we can get all of the moisture out. The isocyanate in here will react with any moisture in the air. So now we're going to start to mix. So first I'm going to start mixing the pail and create a little bit of a vortex. And then I'm slowly going to add our activator. And now we're going to mix that for 3 minutes. What's important is we don't want to pick the blade up and push the blade down to entrap more air. We just want to create a vortex like I'm showing you here and move it around the can slightly to ensure that the activator is mixing in with the premix. And we're going to continue to do this for 3 minutes. So once we finish mixing this for 3 minutes, we want to just let the CIM run off of the mixing blade. And then generally it's a good idea to spin off that mixing blade into an empty 5 gallon pail that you have sitting here. So we'll just spin that off. And now we're ready to use the CIM product.